Have you ever pondered the true impact of pornography on sexual function? It's a question that weaves in and out of our societal conversations, often brushed aside due to its sensitive nature. Yet, it's a topic that demands attention and understanding. Let's dive into the heart of the matter, beginning with the definition of pornography. It's any material in various forms, be it text, video, photos, or audio, consumed for sexual satisfaction and arousal. It's important to note that the effects of pornography on individuals or their relationships vary significantly. The type of pornography and personal factors play a significant role in these outcomes. Now let's consider the possible positive effects of pornography consumption. For some, it can serve as a means of sexual exploration and education, providing an outlet for curiosity and discovery. It can also potentially enhance sexual arousal and pleasure, offering a space for individuals to explore their sexual fantasies safely. However, like any other aspect of life, there's another side to the coin. The negative impacts of pornography consumption can be profound and far-reaching. It can lead to unrealistic expectations about sex, fostering dissatisfaction and a distorted image of sexual relationships. The more concerning issues involve sexual function problems, including erectile dysfunction, delayed ejaculation, anorgasmia, and a decreased sexual desire. Moreover, pornography consumption is often linked to addiction, a concern that's frequently overlooked in our society. It's a complex issue, with some literature suggesting that pornographic images and films can be addictive, particularly when combined with masturbation. Yet others argue that the data remains inconclusive. There's also the question of pornography's relation to acts of sexual violence, which has yielded varying results. This aspect of pornography consumption certainly warrants further investigation and understanding. In summary, the impact of pornography on sexual function is a multifaceted issue. On one hand, it can offer a platform for sexual exploration and pleasure, but on the other, it can lead to sexual function problems, unrealistic expectations, and potential addiction. It's a topic that requires open dialogue and further research to fully understand its implications. So the next time you encounter a conversation about pornography, remember, it's not just about personal choices or moral debates. It's about understanding the potential impacts, both positive and negative, on our sexual function and overall well-being. It's about acknowledging the complexity of this issue and striving for a comprehensive understanding. Only then can we navigate this topic with wisdom, empathy, and respect.